Marriage is the sole foundation in our society that binds people and families together. Many turns out to be loving and successful marriages, while some can be terrifying and difficult as well. Society makes it difficult for the woman to speak up or take actions against all that marital injustices. It is extremely necessary for all the married women to be aware of their legal rights. Hence, I bring to you a detailed list of India's legal rights that a married woman is entitled to. Number 1 is the right to matrimonial home. A wife has the legal right to stay in the matrimonial home under any circumstances, that is, even after her husband's death. If there is case of divorce, the woman may choose to live in her matrimonial home until there is a proper place for her to move in. Number 2 is right to divorce. A woman can legally file for a divorce without the consent of their husband in the event of infidelity, cruelty, physical and emotional violence, and more, under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1995. A woman can further claim maintenance charge under Section 125 of the Indian Penal Code that states women can rightfully claim financial maintenance for herself and her child, especially if the husband earns more. Number 3 is the right to Stridhan. Stridhan is basically all those gifts and jewelries that are given to a woman at the time of her marriage or before marriage or at the time of childbearing. Say मुंह दिखाई, गोद भराई, etc. Section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 and Section 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 allows a woman to rightfully claim Stridhan as its sole owner. Number 4 is right to claim the child's custody. A woman has the supreme rights to claim the custody of her child, especially if the child is below 5 years of age. She can also take her child along with herself if she leaves the matrimonial household without any legal order. Number 5 is the right to abortion. The woman has the right to abort a pregnancy without the permission of her husband or family. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 allows a woman to terminate her pregnancy at any time until 24 weeks. The Indian Court also allows women to terminate their fetus after 24 weeks in the light of special cases. Number 6 is the right to property. The 2005 amendment of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 claims that a daughter, regardless of her marital status, has equal rights to inherit her father's property. A woman can also legally inherit her former husband's property only if the husband hasn't formed a will that excludes her. Additionally, if the husband happens to remarry without legally divorcing the first wife, the right to all his property belongs to the first wife. Number 7 is right to report domestic violence. Under the Protection of Women under Domestic Violence Act 2005, woman can file a complaint against her husband and family if she happens to face domestic violence such as acts of physical, emotional, sexual, economical violence and other acts of ill treatment. Number 8 and the last in this video is right to report dowry and harassment. A woman can report against her parental family and in-laws if any exchange of dowry is involved in marital affairs under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Section 304B and 498A of IPC criminalizes the exchange of dowry and any sort of harassment related to it. So that's all in this video.